Hey lovelies, so welcome. Today I'll be doing my nails, so I hope you enjoy. So let's start. First up, I use this. So right here is the Matrix Sight 2-in-1 LED/UV lamp. So this is a great lamp and I use it just for my everyday gel nails. It's really simple steps and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of it on the manual. So right here is the steps. It's really simple to use, the delivery was great, and I will definitely give you some more info. So right here is the LED/UV light and/or lamp, and this is the top. So again, it's from Matrix Sight, and I'll definitely put a link in the description. So right here, it has the option of 90 seconds, 30 seconds and 10 seconds to dry. This is just a simple on and off button. It's really self-explanatory when you do get it. So once you purchase this lamp, you will need to get the nail polishes separately. So I got my polishes from a place called B&S. Soak Off Nail Polish. So I got myself 2 boxes. So one of the boxes contains the base coat and also the top coat. So you'll get it like so, and these will just be the miniature nail polishes. Next up, when you get the colours, you'll get usually a box of 4. So it will come in one of these. So I purchased this on Amazon, and the colours I got were red and purple and just a kind of peach colour. So if you purchase them, you'll see what it looks like in person, but today I'll definitely give you a look at one colour. So you'll need to start off with some clean nails. So I recommend using some nail polish remover, and this right here is the Superdrug acetone-free version. Then I clean my nails with some bicarbonate soda, and that is from Asda. So that will be great, and you can also use a brush to do that, to make your nails super clean to start. So firstly, my nails are all clean. So I've washed them, I've buffered, I have used my cuticle remover, I've just trimmed them if needed. So then I take my 2 separating finger things and I just separate my hands so they don't like disturb each other. Then I use the base coat. So the salon is always brilliant to do with gel nails, but there's nothing like also being able to do them at home. So I just paint them with the base coat. And my thumb is actually a bit damaged, so that's plastered up. Then I remove this and into the lamp they go. So I'm just going to give them 60 seconds. And as you can see, the light inside is a blue colour. Like countdown. So those are done. So right here, the base coat is done. So I'll do the next hand off camera and get back to you. So now I'm going to go to my first coat of colour. So today I'm going to be using the Y&S 0.58. So that is this shade. So it's a purplish colour. So now I'm just going to put back on my finger separators and do the first coat. So it's this beautiful colour and it comes out quite nude looking. Got an easy job today with only 4 nails. Now I'm just going to cure this in the lamp. For 60 seconds. So usually while doing my nails I play music or chat or watch maybe something which I need to catch up on. Also this is a great time to soak your feet, maybe after a long day. So that is all cured and I would just now do a second coat. So now I'm going to do the second coat. And I think I'll just zoom in to give you a bit better look. All good to go now to be cured the second time. So these are the 2 coats of the paint, and lastly the last step would be then adding the top coat. So the top coat really does make that difference, and 2 coats are really the required and best amount. So in total I'd say this process can take 10 to 15 minutes. So it really does beat hours at the salon. And then I'm going to cure. So lovelies, these are my finished gel nails. I hope they pick up well on camera, but they really do look lovely. So right here are my 2 favourite hand creams at the moment. The first one is Fizzy Duck Limited Edition Softening Hand Cream. So that's been great for softening my hands. And my general hand cream, which is a favourite right now, is this Honeybee Hand and Nail Cream. So these two are a go-to after doing my nails. So thanks for watching my home nails process. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!